Hello, Escambia County Public Schools. Are you concerned about using Wi-Fi networks that aren't secure? Well, the student data team wants to help you prevent someone from stealing your valuable information. If someone sneaks off with your information, you can stop them in their tracks with the following tips. So before connecting, double check the exact name of the network you're connecting to. Cyber criminals often set up fake networks with names that are very similar to legitimate ones. Also, make sure the network uses strong encryption, such as WPA2 or WPA3. Avoid networks that use outdated or weak encryption, like WEP. Open networks, those without a password, are inherently insecure. Avoid using them for sensitive activities like online shopping or banking. While connecting, if the network requires a password, create a strong, unique one that is different from other passwords you use. If available, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. And when connecting to public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it more difficult for hackers to intercept your data. Here are a few additional tips. Make sure your devices and their software are up to date for the latest security patches. Turn off the automatic connection feature on your devices so you don't accidentally connect to an insecure network. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in coffee shops or airports, are often less secure. Exercise caution when using them. Remember, even on secure networks, it's important to remain vigilant. Be cautious about the information you share and the websites you visit. If you have any doubts about the security of a network, it's best to avoid connecting altogether. In conclusion, connecting to public Wi-Fi always carries some risk, but following these tips, you can help minimize those risks and protect your personal information. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity tips coming your way soon.